Today, we're diving into the G.SKILL Trident Z Neo 32GB DDR4 3200MHz RAM kit, specifically the F43200C16D32GTZN model. This dual-channel kit includes two 16GB sticks, making it a total of 32GB. It's designed for gamers and high-performance users who need reliable and fast memory. First off, let's talk about the specs. This kit operates at a tested speed of 3200 MHz, which is perfect for most gaming and professional applications. The tested latency is 16-18-18-38, providing a good balance between speed and performance. Running at 1.35V, it is both efficient and stable, ensuring your system runs smoothly even under heavy loads. Plus, it's ready for Intel XMP 2.0, making it easy to overclock and optimize performance with just a few clicks in your BIOS settings. The G.SKILL Trident Z Neo series is known for its distinctive and stylish design, featuring a sleek heat spreader with RGB lighting that can be customized to match your setup. This not only keeps your RAM cool under pressure but also adds a touch of flair to your build. The build quality is exceptional, as expected from G.SKILL, a brand renowned for its high-performance memory modules. One of the standout features of this kit is its compatibility. It's designed to work seamlessly with both AMD and Intel platforms, making it a versatile choice for any build. Whether you're upgrading an existing system or building a new one from scratch, the Trident Z Neo ensures top-notch performance and reliability. In terms of real-world performance, the Trident Z Neo doesn't disappoint. It significantly improves multitasking capabilities and speeds up data-intensive tasks. For gamers, this means faster load times and smoother gameplay, even when running demanding titles at high settings. Content creators will also benefit from the increased speed and efficiency when editing videos, rendering 3D models, or running virtual machines. To sum up, the G.SKILL Trident Z Neo 32GB DDR4 3200MHz is one of the best RAM kits you can buy today. Its combination of speed, reliability, and style makes it a top choice for gamers and power users alike. If you're looking to upgrade your system's performance, this RAM kit should definitely be on your shortlist. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.